Decentraland Fashion Week 2025, your gateway to virtual couture profits. Ready to strut your stuff in the metaverse and make some serious crypto while you're at it? Decentraland Fashion Week 2025 is here, and it's bigger, bolder, and more profitable than ever. Witness the future of fashion with AI-designed virtual couture. Imagine owning a one-of-a-kind digital garment crafted by artificial intelligence. This isn't just fashion, it's an investment in the cutting edge. These AI designs are exclusive, limited edition NFTs. Owning one grants you access to VIP events and unlocks potential resale value in the booming digital fashion market. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of the future. Decentraland Fashion Week is your chance to snag exclusive NFT fashion items. These aren't just collectibles, they're assets that can appreciate in value. Think of it as investing in digital art, but wearable. Participate in runway shows, virtual parties, and exclusive drops. Network with designers, collectors, and fellow metaverse enthusiasts. The possibilities for profit and connection are endless. Ready to dive in? Visit our website now to purchase your tickets and explore the NFT marketplace. Early bird tickets get you access to exclusive pre-sale events and bonus NFT drops. Don't just watch the future of fashion unfold, be a part of it. Buy your tickets today, secure your exclusive NFTs, and prepare to profit from the virtual couture revolution at Decentraland Fashion Week 2025.